Well, afternoon, Thursday, April 10th, at about 3:40. I'm running a little bit behind on getting things done, but I've got a lot of things done. Let's see. It's primed. The paint machine's been cleaned and ready to go. Now I get to paint. Uh, Part of the masking prep work is done. I'll finish the rest of that off when I get up. Uh, and I've got stuff ready to go out on the front, and yard's gonna get mowed first thing in the morning or right after I get done with this before I go and wash up because well, paint chips, fun stuff. I got paint all over me. I got paint on me. Yeah, fun stuff. Anyway, damn, should have filled that up before I sat down to do this. I'm trying to stay up late today because I'm going to have to do it again tomorrow and the day after, and maybe the day after. So I'm going to just mow the front yard and trim. Yeah. They didn't get my stuff picked up. So I'm wondering how that's going to work. It's still out on the front curb. They were supposed to come pick that up. But it is what it is. Government work. Anyway, try to get this taken care of, and early in the morning clean the paint machine again. Have to clean it up before you use it and then clean it up after you use it because, well, it's fun stuff that way. But I think I'm actually going to get the room done by tomorrow morning. Don't want to have to be doing too much more hand painting. Primer, getting the bad spots and getting a good extra coat on it. And I got the last of the little putty work, I think, done. We'll see how this. I had a hole in the ceiling, and I pushed putty up into it, and then it dried and pushed up in. So I got to add a little more to it, give it a quick buff. It is what it is. I ain't too worried. It'll paint. So yay. Talked to two other people that are coming by. As is, they're saying 70, 75. Got one saying 77. So the more I get done, the more the price will be. Less stuff they got to do if they take it over as is, and closer to me being able to say, hey, take this. So, yay. I'm tired. So, anyway, yeah, same shirt from last night because I put it on last night to take and start stuff, and I'm still working in it. I can tell you, I'm smelling funny. It's been a long, hot, and sweaty day. Boy, another. I think that was an email coming in. Anyway, gotta send my get my motorcycle class scheduled. Uh, get it paid for and get the class and take it online. So I'll be able to do that. I don't know. I'm tired. Anyway, I'm going to be getting back here probably as soon as I get done painting tomorrow. I'll even try to take a picture of that shit. I don't know. If I can get it all painted and everything cleaned up there, once it dries, I can either slide everything into there and do the same thing to the other room and get it prepped up. I don't know. Part of me says take and do the hallway as part of this, since I've got the paint gun out. But that'll require getting a bunch of the doors and such. And I think I still have some tile up under the bottom edges of some of it. Need to check that. But I can still pull the cord around and not worry about that and just paint everything. Paint the cord around, staple it in with, pin it in with the rivet, not the rivet gun, but the trim gun. See, I got all that stuff. Part of me wants to put all that into a shipping container and ship it over. But I don't know. I can get an air compressor over there, and nail guns run off of air. The saws and such don't, but they run off 110, not 220. Same thing with my compressor. But the air ratchets and wrenches and the nail guns, yeah, they all run off of uh, air, and so all I got to do is get an air compressor, and I can have tools again. I don't know. I see some of the ways that they build things in the Philippines, and boy, tools. Is it really hard to get tools over there? It would seem like a good thing to get. I don't know. When you've got so much labor that's so cheap, is it worth getting tools to make things faster so that, yeah, folks can get things done faster? I don't know. It's kind of like with my walk behind weed eater. Something like that could go over there and, do a few acres a day. Trim it back, cut it back, but instead they go out there with a pair of shears and just start whacking it back. I saw that on somebody was doing that in the background. Somebody was having a conversation, and somebody was trimming the grass, trimming back the jungle. That's what it looked like to me. I don't know. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm gonna call it. Y'all have a good day and blessings. This is William Williams, Philippines. And oh, I'm getting so much closer. Told the boss I ain't sticking around. Mid-July. So yeah. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family, and oh yeah, some more food. I'm fishing. Well, fish is out. Later blessings, bye bye.